EIVOTOR, the world's first smart clock with Amazon Alexa, which you can set alarms, timers, check the weather, read news, listen to music, and more. EIVOTOR is a revolutionary AI-enhanced voice interactive smart clock that helps you make the most of the day. It is very easy to set alarms with the EIVOTOR. Just tap and say, "Set an alarm for 7 a.m. every day." To start the alarm, you could hold the screen for 3 seconds or shake to dismiss the alarm. If you don't want to get up immediately, just flip EIVOTOR over and it will wake you up in 9 minutes. When you get up, you can check weather directly from EIVOTOR. How is the weather today?
Currently, in Los Angeles, California, it's 68 degrees.
When you're cooking, EIVOTOR is also very helpful. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Easy, quick, friendly, never miss the right time. EIVOTOR can be a music player at your party. You can access to any playlist from iHeartRadio, TuneIn, and Amazon Music. Except that, world clock. Sleep sound. Customize alarm music. Shopping. Taxi. Smart home. More and more features have been added to EIVOTOR. All we want is to make your life more simple.
Simple coding. Challenging fun. Lego creations come to life with Lego Boost. Using the free app and their tablets, kids can code behaviors into whatever they create. Build 5 different models from one set, and each model has its own cool features and commands. Lego Boost is fun and educates your builder through play.
Hey, Jibo. What's up?
Hey, Aaron. Not much. Just watching the world turn.
Hey, Jibo. How about a joke?
Okay. What did the Earth say to the other planets? You guys have no life.
I'll remember that.
Meet Jibo. He looks, listens, and learns.
Welcome to the world of Alpha 1 Pro. Alpha 1 Pro is the new generation product of UBTECH. Its new housing material is more solid and durable. It has more housing coverage in the chest and legs. The upgraded robotic servo motors are much quieter, safer, and more durable. The new battery is detachable and replaceable. Its new mainboard Bluetooth audio module includes an improved speaker. The new emergency stop operation helps to protect the robot by just pushing the red button. Alpha 1 Pro, your new fun, entertaining family member.
As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot. Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box and can be programmed with our free apps for your phone or tablet. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dot can be programmed on its own as a quirky magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Or a hot potato. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Dash and Dot will fuel your child's natural curiosity. They'll love programming new adventures for their robot sidekicks. They can play hide and seek, set up challenging courses, or go head-to-head for a thrilling race. You'll be surprised at their creativity and innovation. With lots of great add-on accessories for your dash or dot, there are endless ways for your child to explore and problem solve, all while having fun. Wonder Workshop robots and apps are designed to grow with your child, allowing them to apply what they've learned and expand their capabilities.
Are you serious?
Wonder Workshop, inspiring the brightest minds of tomorrow.
Okay.